Oh. There's more coming at you right in front of you. There's like 1,000. Got a big body.
Race in the morning. Why? Cause I'm on it.
I'm still blue.
I don't wanna feel the pain though. All I see is the rain though. I'm just trying to see the sunshine. Fingers in the air with me one time. Under pressure getting real high. Baby, I don't see you a bad vibe. I'm just trying to see the morning.
I was just worried about shooting my gun. She could only shoot it one time. She was scared. I don't think good. You can't even run in this shit. Huh?
Got a spinner.
Get it, cuz. Got him.
Yep.
Nice bass.
That shit is like 8 inches though.
Like we're gonna have to, like, I don't know.
Tip ups too, so we're good.
Yeah, mine is
Two.
Oh, my biggest fish right here, because the lily pad's growing on right there too.
Yeah. That's a healthy pickerel.
Yeah, there's some big ones in there, cuz.
That's a healthy one, cuz.
Yep. Number 1 on the tip ups.
Yes, sir.
Didn't even drill all the holes yet.
Ooh, mouth open. Oh.
Pickerel. Nah. Another flag up. I'm gonna go try to get the footage real quick. Spinning? Oh, yep. Get his ass, cuz. Bass, no pickerel. Bass, no pickerel. Come on with it. Fuck. Another one.
Is that live?
Nah, another pickerel. Oh, another. Oh, another flag. Spinner. Is it spinning? Oh shit! Pull out, pull out, pull out, pull out. Shut that bitch. Got him? Yep. Oh no!
You just got on? Fuck.
He did get off.
Just at the end, huh? You had.
Yo, he said. Oh, another flag! Oh shit! Oh shit! This is crazy! Fuck! I missed him! that was mayhem for a second. Whew, I'm so out of shape, it's crazy. Yo, I was setting it back and I got a perch, bro. Yo, I was setting it down and he just ate it. Keeping him?
Yeah.
Someone bring me a shiner. Ooh. That was crazy for a second. Took all our tip-ups. Got another one. I'm jigging up perch with a tip up. I'm jigging up perch with a tip up. What y'all know about that? Yeah. Let's go. Watch, I'm gonna do it again. Until I get a 6-pound bass thinking it's a perch. Another one. Let's go. 3 in a row. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I'll dive down.
I'm about to drill. Yep, put that bitch right in the center of us. You think we'll be able to see him? I'll drill our two holes.
Kyle, they saw us racing all different directions, running on the ice. They was like, that shit's safe. Kyle told me it wasn't safe.
I ain't trying to see nobody's kids go through the ice. I ain't trying to save nobody today.
True.
Unless it's one of us. Well, they're gonna hit a light spot and they're gonna understand what the fuck I said.
If we're all gonna be filleting them, I don't care how many we keep, but if I'll fillet.
We gotta start bringing a fillet knife on the fucking ice, and we gotta do it here. Like that's that while we're still in the motion of it. That's what I do every time now. Like even saltwater fishing, stripers, fluke, all that shit. Because when I get home, I'm like I'm out of fish mode.
You don't want to do it.
Yeah, I'm out of fish mode at that time. Oh, two of them! Let's go! Let's go! Double ups! Oh yeah, mine's spinning. Woo! That's a pickerel.
I saw the red on the fin.
Ah!
I think that's spinning, right?
Come on, bro.
Oh, my son's still alive. Raising back in the hole. Here, I got a point.
Trying to.
Oh, shit. That's a cool.
Yeah, I got stormer gloves on. Don't ever hold a pickerel by the mouth. I should have made that release hole.
That was a good fish. Alright, we got a. Damn, this shit's frozen on. I'll tell you.
That shit looked like it was spinning for a second.
Oh, yeah, check. I was like to check that one. Because I didn't even know how to do that.
Whew. I almost just fell through that hole. It was going to the side, but they ain't nothing on here no more.
It was because he was spinning back.
That was a big ass pickerel though. He said, "Is that a pike?" Off the side, yeah, nah.
Fins, and those ones are usually red, that's why.
Yeah.
And because it was jerky, boy.
I thought that thing was a fucking pike as I was pulling it up. Damn, I think I just heard a fucking deer run over there. I don't even understand how I'm running like this. That fucking fish ripped my gloves all up.
Really?
Bro, that was some ill footage. Both them flags went up at the same time.
That would have been ill footage. That was gold. That's that flag. That's that fucking fish. It was literally going like. If you would have one more time, I probably would have never got it.
Yeah, that shit was about to drop.
Said more slip.
I got my hand in.
Go down with it.
Any fish down there, cuz?
You might have caught all the damn fish.
Flag! Right, right. Do it again. Let's see what we got. We need a largemouth, cuz. Let's go. Or a rainbow. Get his ass. I remember when that shit first became a meme or whatever. That shit had me crying.
That's why you didn't want to bring it over. I will. I'm gonna set the dog up. You wanted it to die first and then
Oh, I didn't.
You're awful.
Oh, I got one, but I didn't do that. I promise you.
I put him back though.
The package ain't even over here.
Yeah, it flew away.
They're sitting right there. The package is there, but it's standing up.
I put it underneath the thing. It's underneath of it. Yeah, I put it underneath.
Flag! You got that, Kay? Spinning. Oh, yup. Gotcha. Pull some slack. Yup, now set it. Got him?
Maybe.
Yeah, you do. Oh! Drop it back down quick. Not like drop him down, like. Yeah, he was running too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, fuck that. Bruh. Yeah, it probably was a bass too, cause he ain't ripped up or nothing. Largemouth. Largemouth. Small one.
Small largemouth, yep. Still live minnow. Throw that bad boy right back in there.
Let me see. Put him up to the camera a little bit. Yeah.
Nice and healthy.
Yeah. Took the whole shiner. Oh, my rod just got pulled in the water.